Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Gmail and locating the thread you want to remove. Once signed in, you search operators like from or subject to find it fast. Make sure you know whether you want to delete a single message inside the conversation or the entire conversation thread. Click the conversation to open it, then pause and inspect timestamps and recipients so you don't delete the wrong content. If labels or filters apply, note them now before proceeding to deletion. Once the conversation is open, choose whether to delete only one message or the whole thread. Click the three-dot menu on a message to remove it, or use the checkbox at the top to select multiple messages or the full conversation. Click the trash icon to move items to trash. Note that trash retains items for 30 days. If you prefer archiving, use archive instead to keep the content searchable. Make sure labels and filters won't reapply, and re-add. To complete removal, go to trash and choose empty trash now if you want permanent deletion. This is irreversible, so confirm before you proceed. If you change your mind right after deleting, use the undo option in the bottom left pop-up. It appears briefly and restores the thread. If the conversation reappears later, inspect your filters, forwarding rules, or linked accounts that might resend or restore messages. Make adjustments and then remove again to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.